Have you ever tried really reaching out for the other side? I may be climbing on rainbow, but baby, here goes. Dreams for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if you're wondering what this song is leading to, I want to make it with you.
Hey, have you ever tried really reaching out for the other side?
Pakabait ka lalo.
Maybe climbing on rainbows, but baby, here goes. Dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if you're wondering what this song is leading to, I wanna make it with you.
Lord, unang-una sa lahat, thank you. Thank you kasi dumating siya sa buhay ko. Ipinagkaloob mo ang taong mahal ako at mamahalin ako hanggang dulo.
My love, April 21, 2018, exactly 6 years ago, nung nag-reply ako sa My Day mo. My Day mo nang may hawak kang mogo-mogo. Wala naman akong intensyong haruting ka, inumin yung hinihingi ko, pero pagmamahal yung inoffer mo.
Life can be short or long. Love can be right or wrong. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you.
Dati, pangarap ko lang na sana yung magiging first boyfriend ko, siya na rin mapangasawa ko. Ngayong araw, matutupad na yon.
Love, isa ka sa mga magandang nangyari sa buhay ko. Oo, hindi ako perpekto. Pero dahil sa'yo, pakiramdam ko, buong buo ako.
Mamahalin kita, walang basta, walang pero, walang kondisyon. Ikaw ang pinili ko at pipiliin ko na makasama sa araw-araw. Handa na akong bumuo ng pamilya kasama ka. Kaya sana umanda ka rin. Rar.
My soul surrender. Your love brings me to my knees.
Asahan mo, mula sa araw na ito, ang lalaking nakatayo ngayon sa iyong harapan ay tunay kang mamahalin at paglilingkuran hanggang sa ating pagtanda. Mahal ko, buong puso kitang pinipili bilang aking asawa. I love you.
I now pronounce you as husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Till the end of time. my soul.